Dr. Esther Trufan, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the decomposition of a hydrate. For today's experiment, I'm going to use a beaker, and I have a 100 milliliter beaker right here. I will need to know the mass of the hydrate that is going to go inside the beaker, and I will need to know the mass of the anhydrous salt that will be the result of the transformation. So I will need a scale. And to transfer my salt in the hydrate form into the beaker, I will need a spatula. For today's experiment, I am going to use copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate, which should tell you that it has 5 waters of hydration. Let's see if we can extract all 5. The first thing we do is turn on the scale, get it to 0.00, add the beaker on top of the scale and record its mass. In my case, it is 50.31 grams. Next, I am going to measure out between 3 and 5 grams of the copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. I'm going to stop here. My combined mass for the beaker and the hydrate is 54.45 grams. And you can see it is a lovely shade of blue. With that, I am done with my scale. I can turn it off and set it aside. Next, I will bring in my hot plate, which is already turned on, and I will place my hydrate on top of it. There's already a little bit of clumping happening, and that means the waters of hydration are being released. The blue color is turning lighter, and on the bottom of the beaker where it touches the hot plate, it is slowly turning white. If it sticks to the bottom a little too much, we can stir it around. But for this, we always have to use a metal spatula. Otherwise, the plastic will melt. And now we just wait and see until the color no longer changes and it will turn as white as it can get. The copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate has been on the hot plate for a while, and we can see that the blue color is completely gone, and what we have now is this white, very slightly gray colored sample. Next, we're going to remove it from the hot plate and place it on the bench top to cool off. Once it cooled off, we're going to weigh the mass of the beaker with the mass of the anhydrous salt. We will turn on the scale, place our beaker with our anhydrous salt on top of it, and record the combined mass, which in our case is 52.96 grams. From the mass of the anhydrous salt that we measured now, and the mass of the hydrate that we measured at the beginning of the experiment, we should be able to determine how many waters of hydration we were able to remove from each formula unit of the copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate compound.